Hello everyone, this is Opu from Opu Art. So this is my new project. Uh, it's the Rover 3. So I'm back with my new project. So as you know, I am making a collection of these vehicles. So if you see my previous projects that I'm making three variations of these projects. One is Rover Dark Metal, this one, and the middle one is the Rover Camouflage, and the third one is the Rover March. So yeah, so this is number three. I mean the Rover third or Rover 3, whatever you gonna call. So this one actually, uh, it's I had in mind that this one is a heavy vehicle for for some kind of research purpose. It's a mobile lab, so you can use it as a scientific lab. So I can show you that there are 11 components, 11 texture set. So you can find here the cockpits, right? So this one and this one are the cockpits of this asset, and the lab is the Rover 3 lab. I mean the back side of this one is the lab. So this portion is the lab. Yeah. So you can use it as a mobile lab or sci-fi lab. So these vehicles are not actually for the combat use, but it has a combat flavor actually, especially the middle one. uh, you can use it in a combat environment, but the vehicle is not used for any combat, and any guns or weapon is not attached. You can uh, you can take it as a command and conquer MCV kind of type of vehicle is this one. So this is a kind of a mobile research lab. So I'm making this research vehicle. So my goal is to far away from space, in a space, you are a research team, and this kind of vehicle is your mobile lab unit. So you find some minerals maybe in a far space, and your this vehicle comes and you start your digging or your mining process. So this can be used as a mining vehicle as well. Okay, so this is from the Substance Painter. I will continue it in Unity and then the Unreal. So keep watching. Okay, this is the part 2 of the Rover 3 project. So you are seeing it from the Unity HDRP. So you are seeing here the Rover 3, the textures are working properly and the materials, all the things are working properly. So I used CT HDR Sky, and okay, and you can find here the textures. All the textures are in 4K. Okay, and here is the prefab, and here is the materials. So all the materials are there. Okay, and finally you will have some prefabs also. So 3 vehicles, 3 prefabs. So you can drag and drop like this. Okay, this one. Okay, this one, and also the last one is the camouflage one. Okay, so if I maximize, you can see I used a little bit of post-processing as well, just like the bloom and some color corrections. Some warm color is there, and a little bit of exposure also. Okay, and also the some kind of motion blur or something like that. So yeah, so this is from Unity actually. So this pack is Unity ready. So Unity users, you can collect this asset from my store and use it according to your needs. So this is from the Unity. I will continue in Unreal. So that will be the last part. So keep watching, and thank you. And if you want this asset, you can have it from my stores. The link is in the description box, and also it will be in my page description. And also if you have any questions, you can just comment me in the below the comment section. You can comment me. So your every purchase is will give me new motivation. So your every viewing, and if you give a like, it will give me a new motivation. So I'm working so hard. So your contribution is much appreciated for me. Okay, so keep watching. I will continue it in Unreal. Hi, so this is the last part of the Rover 3 project. You are seeing it from the Unreal 5.3. The same rover you are seeing from the Unreal. So I just put the mannequin there. You see, for the proportion purpose, that this vehicle is huge actually. So this is a mobile lab. I mentioned it before. So this is a mobile lab. So lab should be huge, and that it has the power, to crush the rocks and some whatever the obstacle may be. It has the power. So it's a heavy vehicle. Obviously it's come from the future, that's why it's a sci-fi vehicle. So you were seeing here. Yeah, so you see the tiny human being there. It's a kind of like a driver is waiting for command. Okay, so sorry for my voice, guys. I'm bit ill right now. Okay, so like Unity, you can find here the textures, and also you can find here the materials. Okay, and for the prefabs, okay, for the prefabs you can find here all the components listed for this project. all the components and parts for the vehicle actually. So if I uh, maximize this view, you can see here I use also post-processing, a little bit of post-processing, a bit of bloom effects, and the color correction. So it's a warm color, and also it's a combination of a warm and a cool. So look at the tires and the vehicle top. The blue lights are mimicking the coolness of this, and the sky is cool. But it's like the engine is a starts and engine is roaring, although no sound. And so it's a combination of a warm and cool color. So the signal lights are all blinking. Yeah. So this is the final part from the Unreal. So this pack is fully ready to use it in the Unreal. So I will be continuing to create this kind of projects. So this is number 3. So I will continue in a number 4, 5. So I have a plan to make a big collection, like at least maybe 8 or 10 assets to make a collection. So if you need this asset, you just go to the links I provided in my channel for my store, and you can get it. No matter which version you need. I mean, if you need the Unreal version, this one is ready, or a Unity version, that one also be ready. And if you need a only for model, that one, the 3D file also ready. So you just visit my store. There will be the details of this asset, and visit my ArtStation portfolio also. And if you have any question, just ask me in the comment section, or if you want to contact with me, also you can email me or whatever. I will be there for you. So this is for me from now, guys. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you for watching.